Everyone, I hope you're having a good day. So I'm going to talk about um, using the right products the wrong way. So guys, if you use um, the right products the wrong way, you're going to have issues. An example is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a treatment used to treat acne, specifically blocked pores, oily skin, black hairs, white hairs. Salicylic acid is very good because it works in such a way that it goes into your pores, clears out the sebum, open your pores, and prevents acne and dries up the previous acne, right? So, however, there's a rule to using it. So you're meant to use it once every 2 days, in the sense that you use it every morning, every morning. So you have about 24 hours before the next use, which is once a day, or you use it once every 2 days, right? But you however, cannot use it morning and night, irrespective of what is written on the pack. It's important for customers and people to know that sometimes what is written on the packs in their marketing claims, sometimes they're not necessarily ideal to use. So people will write whatever they want to write on their pack to sell their products or to make their products more attractive. It is left for you, the end user, to realize and say, no, this is not what my skin needs, this is not how my skin needs it. A dermatologist and an esthetician will tell you this is how to use it. Nobody gives you salicylic acid and tells you to use it every goddamn day. It's not going to work. Yes, you have acne, but guess what? It's going to do the reverse, because your skin will end up being dried out, irritated, and you will have more breakouts and more acne. Then you would say that salicylic acid did not cure my acne. No, you used it the wrong way. So it's important to know that you can have the right products. However, the application process, application techniques is very, very important, just as using the right product is important.